My Math Classroom, First Grade by Ms. Thompson. Good evening, everyone. I hope everyone has had a great summer. My name is Ms. Thompson, and I will be your child's first grade teacher this year. I am from Madison, South Dakota, and I graduated from Dakota State University with a major in elementary education and special education. I am very excited to have your child in my classroom this year. I ask that you please refrain from asking questions until the end of this meeting. This year I plan on having our math time in the morning right after students arrive to school. To begin the day, I will have all of the students come together on the big rug located at the back of the room. This area will be known as the morning meeting area. At this time, we will talk about the day's date and year. We will work on different daily problems each morning. After we have assigned jobs for the day, we will move on to our math talk. Math talk provides students an opportunity for deeper understanding through communication. Individually or in groups, students discuss and defend their ideas on ways to analyze the reasoning of math problems. Some major reasons that math talk benefits students are that talk can reveal understanding and misunderstanding, talk supports deeper reasoning, and talk supports language development and development of social skills. This year in math, we will be using manipulatives. Manipulatives provide a way for students to learn concepts through hands-on experience. One manipulative we will use are two color counters, which are used to demonstrate basic math operations, such as 2 plus 2 equals 4, or 2 take away 2 equals 0. Another manipulative that we will use in first grade is base 10 blocks. Base 10 blocks teach basic math concepts such as place value, addition, subtraction, and counting. The third manipulative students will use in first grade is Unifix cubes. This year, we will use Unifix cubes to practice counting, adding, and subtraction. This year in first grade math, your child will learn to understand addition and subtraction. They will learn to add and subtract, counting and number patterns to 120, length, time, and fractions of shapes. We will follow the Common Core standards using eVision math lessons. I plan on using Seesaw this year in first grade to help show your child's progress with you throughout the year. Seesaw empowers students to independently document their learning and provides an audience for their work, such as their peers, parents, or the world. Seesaw also gives parents an immediate and personalized window into their child's school day, helping to answer the question, "What did you do at school today?" I also plan on using Khan Academy this year with your child. Khan Academy allows your child to work on math skills they choose at their own pace. Khan Academy provides hints and how-to videos for when your child gets stuck on a certain topic or question. The students will be able to work on Khan Academy at school, and I will also send home their login and password so they are able to access the site from home. I will be sending home newsletters each month to let you know what topics will be covered each month in the classroom. I will also use Seesaw to start a conversation with individual parents about their child's work. This year, I am also going to try the app Remind. I am hoping this will be beneficial for all parents. Remind allows me to send immediate information to anyone who has text messaging on their phone. I can send a text message to the group with an important reminder for each and every one of you. Does anyone have any questions at this time? The reason I teach other math strategies in my classroom is because it allows students to have a variety of methods on how they can solve a problem. It also helps students develop a deeper understanding of the problem and become flexible thinkers. However, I will also teach the standard math algorithm. For someone who went to school when you or I did, the standard algorithm is the specific method of how a certain problem is solved, such as if you were to line 26 plus 31 up vertically, then you could just go and take 6 plus 1 equals 7, or 2 plus 3 equals 5, and so on. So just basically the basic math way that we learned when we were in elementary school. What technology will you be using? I will be using the Seesaw app to help show your child's progress with you throughout the year. I also plan on using Khan Academy weekly throughout the year to help your child practice first grade math topics. Khan Academy also allows each student to work at his or her own pace, which I really like, and is another reason I plan to use it in this year in first grade. It has been a pleasure to meet with all of you tonight. If you ever have any questions, here is my contact information. Feel free to email me whenever you have questions or concerns regarding your child. My class website is also posted. This is where you can find weekly activities and topics that we will be covering in the classroom. I am excited to work with your son or daughter this school year. Thank you for coming, and let me know if you have any other questions. Thanks.